In this tutorial video we will show you how to create a new ticket. Go to NPSC portal and navigate to Helpdesk. Click on Open a new ticket. Enter your email ID. Enter your full name. Enter your mobile phone number. Now select appropriate help topic from the drop-down list. Enter a brief summary of the issue that you are facing. Now give the issue details. Note that without proper information, Helpdesk agent cannot resolve the issue that you are facing. For example, screenshot of the error message. You can also attach file along with the ticket. Once this is done, click on Create Ticket. A confirmation message will be displayed. You will also receive an email along with the details of the ticket, such as ticket number, help topic, status, etc. If email is not in the inbox, then check your spam or junk box. That is all for this video. Thank you for watching.